I bought a pack of bulbs, garlic bulbs. So I'm going to take the clove and separate them. Just like so. Alright, and so I'm going to push them a couple of inches down into the soil, giving them a little bit of space in between each one. And I don't think I may have said that, but pointy side up. So you see the pointy side, guys? That's the side that you want sticking up. This bed is loaded with earthworms. We actually had tomatoes, not tomatoes, we actually had watermelon growing right here. So, let's stick those a couple of inches down. Let's stick those a couple of inches down into the soil. And I'll do one more row just behind it, a couple of inches down. I will be adding my absolute favorite, red onions. And so I'll do the same thing with the red onion. Stick them bulb, the pointy side up, push them down into the ground about 2 to 3 inches. I went through a lot digging right here. I ran into some red clay down there that I didn't even realize that we had. But the more you dig, the more you find a whole lot of things that you didn't realize that you have. And just cover everything. I don't think it gets really any more simplistic than that, guys. So I am really looking forward to growing these garlic bulbs and onion, red onion to be more precise, because I have a lot of onion growing. Look at the sweat. I've been working, guys. I've been working today. So I just wanted to do this quick video just to show you guys my new little area. All of this lattice was just totally covered in the leaves of the sweet potatoes. Totally covered in sweet potato leaves. So now this area used to be where the watermelons were. Cantaloupes were down here. And I learned a valuable lesson about having them in this area. It's much too moist in this area because all of them rotted. Every single one either rotted or it split open. So I just got on the lawnmower and I cut it down. I cut the whole bed down, and then we cleaned it out so that we could plant something different. And so I'm really excited to see this start to come up in this area. And right behind it, I still have a couple of tomato plants. Keep saying tomato. A couple of potato plants immediately behind it. So I'm not going to disturb those, the sweet potatoes behind it. But those 2 rows that I just laid, I think that will be sufficient for now. And I am going to also look around and try to find a few other places, as well as add some to pots. So that's my other alternative to plant the rest of the bulbs. I wanted to make sure that I gave this enough space to be able to, grow into clusters and just break up that soil as much as possible, so that they could have space to really grow and not have to fight their way down into the soil, especially dealing with some red clay over in this area. But now I have to run and tell my husband, don't plant anything right here because I already planted onion and garlic right here, because he will come out here if he see an open area. He's gonna plant something in that area. I don't care what you say to him, he's gonna plant something in that area. So I gotta go tell him immediately, don't plant anything over my onion and garlic bulbs. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and I appreciate all the positive comments, the positive energy, and I'm just going to wish you all peace, blessings, love each other, spread love as much as you can, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye bye.